we've been out here demoing the Fastrac Icon, the 4220, with a Kuhn 4-ton linkage mounted fertiliser spreader. We're in some pretty rough terrain over here, so the advanced suspension on the machine helps really well with the comfort of the tractor. Obviously the high speed element for spreading, so you're more efficient, you can get more ground covered in a day. 4-wheel steer for manoeuvrability, getting out of gateways. And yeah, so far feedback's been really positive, really good. Yeah, it's been fantastic.
With the Kuhn being an isobus implement, it's connected straight into the tractor and through the GPS steering system in the tractor, working perfectly with rate control. Makes a huge difference for the operator with the comfort and the screens in the new Icon, and being able to work at 30 k's an hour in comparison to conventional tractors makes a huge difference.